Do you create your company's service report every month? Instead of complex Excel sheets and repetitive manual work, SCLAB Studio now automatically summarizes and generates your reports. With SCLAB Studio Data Agent and AI Agent, once you set it up, both analysis and distribution happen automatically each month. First, in the Data Agent, you can connect to various databases and turn your data into APIs. In this video, we're using SCLAB dummy data, but you could also pick a table from your own database to generate natural language SQL or write your own queries to create an API easily. You can also edit and manage your APIs on the fly. Switch to the data editor, click the editor button in your data group, then under Agent Data select Cloud Usage API and connect. Now you can preview the data. Next, under Agent Data select and connect the Customer Information API to view that dataset. In the data editor, you can connect CSVs, databases, APIs, IoT streams, whatever format you need. From the top menu, select AI Agent, add a new agent, enter its name, choose which data to connect, then open the agent editor. Drag the date trigger block onto the canvas from the menu, then click its editor button. Configure the repetition settings, set start end dates and times, give it a name, and click OK. Create a data fetch block, link it to the date trigger, open its editor, choose the Member Information API, run it, and verify the data. In the bottom right, open the Variables panel and define the variables your agent will use. Add a for each block and connect it to the data fetch block. This block runs once per data record. Add a variable extract block inside the for each block and connect it to the start. Run the variable extract editor. When the output is empty, select fields in the right-hand input panel and set up which variables to extract. After extraction, run it again and confirm your variables appear in the output. Add another data fetch block inside the for each block and connect it to the variable extract block. In its editor, select your billing data, run it, verify, and bind the customer ID to a variable. Add another variable extract block inside the for each block and connect it to the data fetch block. Run its editor, choose all in the input preview, map the data variable, and run again to set it. Add an input text block inside the for each block and connect it to your variable block. You can type HTML directly into input text, but let's use ChatGPT to generate our HTML. Enter a script template with your data variable, give ChatGPT prompt instructions, and include sample data. To grab sample data, click Log in the bottom right, copy the text from the Output tab of your data block, and paste it into ChatGPT. Next, add a prompt telling it to visualize the data, run it, and wait. When it finishes, copy the generated HTML into your input text editor and run repeatedly, once per member, to produce your billing report. Add a file block, connect it to the input block. Open its editor, choose HTML as the file type. Add a variable block, connect it to the file block. Run its editor, select your input, pick your address variable, and run again to confirm the address is set. Add an email block, connect it to the variable block. In its editor, set the to field to your email variable, enter a subject, check Use HTML, and paste your prepared HTML into the body. Insert variables for the recipient's name and report URL. Run test to preview the email. Connect the email block to End. Click Test in the bottom right to send once per member. Check your inbox for cloud usage emails. Click the link to view each billing report page. If you want to tweak the report layout, update your ChatGPT prompt and run again. Copy the revised HTML, open your input block editor, paste, run, and confirm your changes. You can change just the design on the same data to create a fresh billing report. Then check your email again to view the updated report. Or, if you need further design tweaks, refine your ChatGPT prompt and test until it's perfect. Complex cost analysis and repetitive reporting, now SCLAB Studio automates it all.